Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. So, maybe you have never owned an Apple Watch Ultra before, but you are thinking about finally getting one. The question is, should you go straight to the Apple Watch Ultra 3 or maybe different model? Today I'm going to give you the top reasons why the Ultra 3 is hands down the best Apple Watch ever to buy. Let's go. Here on this Apple Watch we have the best, really best design ever. So just look at that. You want something to feel premium when looking for watches, for expensive watches, right? So Apple Watch Ultra 3 delivers that. The titanium body is light but strong, and now you can even get it in the matte black as me, which just looks amazing. It's rugged enough for sports and outdoor activities, but at the same time it looks stylish with really cool. You know, you can fit it to everyday clothes, to classical. You can get different stripes, leather straps, metal straps to looks classical. So you get both durability and elegance in one package. The reason number 2 is the biggest, brightest display. Ultra 3 has the largest display of any Apple Watch, and if you have never used one before, trust me, screen size matters. Just because it's small screen, and firstly maybe you think you will use only watch faces, but no. Afterwards, you will use stopwatches, you will use to-do apps, you will use notes apps. Yes, here we have notes apps. It's really cool, smart feature on this phone. I'm gonna show you it a bit later. So it's really cool because with big screen you can easier to read messages, check your calendar, use maps, or just glance at the time. For a first-time user, it feels much more natural and less cramped compared to the smaller models. I know a lot of Apple Watch Ultra users, and they use different features and different apps on their watches, but people who have SE version or small normal 10 series version, they never use the application. They use only watch face just because it's difficult to click something on small screen, but here you have big screen and it's really cool for sport features, for smart features and other. Okay, it was reason number 2, but what about reason number 3? It's battery life. It's battery life you can actually really on. So, one of the biggest complaints about the regular Apple Watches is battery life. Many people have to charge them every night, normal watches, but Ultra 3, it lasts up to 42 hours, the 2 full days. So if you are never used smartwatches, you need to know this is a big deal. You don't have to worry about charging constantly, and you can even use it overnight for sleep tracking. Okay, I know you can tell me about Garmin's that those you should charge once for several weeks, right? But it's not smart watches. They have no smart features. They are not elegant. They are just really cool, but sport watches. Here you have watches for sport, for life, for work, and for smart features. Okay. The reason number 4 is the safety features that give you peace of mind. This is especially important if you're new to smartwatches. The Ultra 3 can literally keep you safe. It has crash detections, fall detections, emergency calling, and now even SOS via satellite. That means if you are in a remote area with no cell service, you can still call for help. If this is your first Apple Watch, you are jumping straight into the one that has every single safety feature Apple offers. Okay, move on. It's reason number 5, built for fitness and adventure. Maybe you want to track your workouts, start running, or just stay active. Ultra 3 is designed for athletes and adventurers. So sorry guys. But it's also perfect for beginners. It has precise GPS for accurate distance tracking, advanced health sensors, water resistance, even a depth gauge if you swim or, for example, dive. For your first smartwatch, you're getting all the tools right away. Smart features that make everyday life easier are available on this device. It's reason number 6. Apple Watch Ultra 3 is not just for fitness like Garmin, for example. You can take calls, reply to messages, control your music. You can't reply to messages on Garmin, but you can do it in different ways, using voice typing, using even keyboard, using shortcuts for answering. So you can do it everything on your Apple Watch. I have one. I have an old version, and it's no big reasons to switch from first generation to third one. But if you never had Apple Watches, it's really good deal. Jump into third version. So it has hand gestures, right? For example, on my Ultra One, gestures are not too, it's not working too good enough. Yeah, it works. I can open notification. I can even, it's not works too good. For example, now it stops working. Okay. It works. But on Apple Watch Ultra 3, it works so good, so you even forget that you should, use your fingers sometimes to make something on your Apple Watches, because you can do everything using gestures. Double tap to select something, for example, to open notification, to open Smart Stack. You can just close notification on your screen, just making this gesture. This gesture is not available on first generation, but it's available on second and third. So it's really, really cool. You can do all this even when your hands are full. For someone new to the Apple Watch world, it feels futuristic and incredibly convenient, and it's really easy. Okay. Cool. And of course, it's future-proof choice. Since this is your first Apple Watch, you probably want something that will last. The Ultra 3 is the most advanced, most durable, and most future-packed model. You can hold it underwater under 100 meters underwater, and it will survive, even in salt water, in the sea, in the ocean. You can. It has sapphire screen, sapphire glass. As you can see, I have my Apple Watch Ultra One with not too strong sapphire. Here we have stronger sapphire glass, but as you can see, I have it for 6 months, and as you can see, there is no scratches here. I have no, I have no screen protector, and never had. There is no one scratch here, just because it's sapphire screen. And because of titan here, because of titanium, as you can see, there is no big scratches on the body. So this is the most durable watch you can buy. Of course, you can tell me that Garmin's are more durable. Okay, Garmin has sapphire screen, yeah, but Garmin is the sport smartwatch. This is lifestyle smartwatch. Okay, so if you have never owned an Apple Watch before, the Ultra 3 is the perfect place to start. You're getting the biggest screen, the battery life, and the safety features. Advanced fitness tools, design that works everywhere. You can change the stripes from sport to, for example, I don't know, later for work in bank. So if you buy your first Apple Watch and you want to absolute best experience, go with Apple Watch Ultra 3. Thanks for watching, hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.